seconds now, the adjustment on the clock. Texas with 2 timeouts. Shot on the ball. And the Texans fall. Cliff Avril was the who came in on Schaub. You see Jackson trying to take away the Harris, but Harris won't allow that to happen. They keep the possession with Houston. Avril knocks it out.
Oh, coming from the right side, and you just Garrett Newton, the starting right tackle.
Houston will be receiving the second half kick. Detroit 21 and Houston 14. Stafford with 246 yards passing and 2 touchdowns. Back with the Verizon halftime report. After this message and a word from your host, you're watching the NFL on CBS, home of Super Bowl 47.
With CPS Energy's real-time manager, I control my electricity via the internet. I track usage minute to minute, adjust the settings on my heating and cooling system, even create special schedules for holidays and vacations. I have become all-powerful in my home.
And in your head.
Go to cpsenergysavers.com/home-manager and become all-powerful. Love you.
Welcome to Toyotathon, biggest sales event of the year. I'm Jan.
I hear now's a great time to get a truck.
Well, it is. We have 2 very rugged and dependable trucks.
We were recording this week.
The